Hello friends, it's your friendly neighborhood Reza. Welcome to channel Reza Blade, and we have an unboxing today. This is My Mani Box June Under the Sea theme, and I am really excited. I am filming this instead of doing a live because I already did a live today. You might see it on the channel. I did a summer goth nail art using some things sent to me by Beautometry. So I'm actually going to clear these things out. I used all Hit the Bottle and Be Love's Plate polishes. Let's get rid of this just in a basket so that I can maneuver a little bit more easily. And I know that there will be at least one giveaway from this box because I looked some stuff up beforehand, wanting to be prepared. Most of the stuff, though, in the box, I don't know what I'm getting. So let's open this up. And okay, I love these. These are very helpful. My Mini Box, June 2023, Under the Sea. And then, of course, follow Beautometry on Facebook and Instagram. And definitely check out my live that I released tonight. This is, I'm filming this on Sunday, the 23rd or 4th or whatever of July. I really like the gradient effect, and I don't know, I really like this one. Let me know what you think. I did that with a creative, Be Love's Plates Creative Textures plate. I used the gradient square, or the flat, color square. I always want to open these up first. I am actually saving these up to make some sachets for the various tubs that I keep my off-season clothing in. I'm a bit of a clothes horse. You wouldn't know it. I've been in, this is by way of an apology, I've been in a fibro flare-up from hell the last 2 weeks. Migraines, at least 7 or 8 out of those days. I was either just always having a migraine or recovering from a migraine. I'm on 4 ibuprofen right now and I'm barely making it. I have so little migraine medicine left. I take Maxalt, and I just want to. Okay, sorry. This always cheers me up, no matter what. No matter how sad I am about my migraines, once I start popping these guys, the mood lifts magically. Okay, enough of that. I won't bug you anymore. So let's see. Very much looks like a sea color in here. Does it tell us the name of the color? Does it? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? The answer is no. So we're going to open it up. I like these little boxes. I haven't had as good luck with MoYou London nail polish, but it is beloved by a lot of people. This is a really great color for a sea theme. So I'm going to set this aside, and that goes on the floor. All right, so we do actually have a list of things that we're getting. I don't really want to look at it too closely. But once I get all of this open, I'm going to gather some items, and I'm going to come back and do a demo so that you get unboxing with a little bit of a demo in case I don't get to, get to the box in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try to film every day this week, if I can. And please ignore the yelling in the background. John is playing Apex again, and there are always feelings, and the feelings are always very loud. Even when I tell him I'm recording, sometimes some frustration slips out. Which is so interesting. I don't get that way with video games. I mean, I will maybe throw the controller a good 6 inches sometimes. I understand that's nothing. Ooh! We could do a gradient with this, too. That would be fun. Instead of the 2 yellows on the white, we could do the 2 blues and white, maybe. That would be fun. This is going right into my supplies for my sachets. Where did I put the other one? Okay, well, maybe it's hiding. All right, so I'll get rid of that. And it looks like our plates are all wrapped up together today. No problemo. I like that they're securely wrapped. I dig the tissue paper because it comes open easily. Super dig the tissue paper. All right. Let's see. Wow. We really hit the jackpot with the stamping plates this month. Well, actually everything. We got some stamping polish. We got some stamping plates. We got some inspiration. Candy Skull is a really great brand that I just really recently discovered thanks to Therese at Beautometry. We've got almost a compass rose, at least the compass points. We've got some great whole nail images here. Definitely a maritime theme. We've got a great big pirate ship. Looks like a haunted jellyfish. I realize it's not, but my brain is anthropomorphizing that image. Cool images though. I really like this plate. So this one is 05? I think it's 05. Let me take it off screen. 05. So this is at 05. There was another like 025 that might have come with your kit. No, yeah, R025. And this is 006. I'm just not reading very well. All right, well, it is late for me. I've been up many of hours. All right, now, what do we have here? A plate I do not have. This is number 6 in the Atlantis collection by MoYou London. These are great to use. I have a couple of these. Really great stamping quality. This is a layering one. Always ready to practice my layering and to do some innovative things with layering because I'm not great at it. That forces me to get really creative. And that is good for you because I share the ideas. All right, and now we have a plate that I own. And guess what that means? Ding, 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 ding. We are giving away some stuff. I'm going to have a giveaway sometime this week. I'll release the giveaway video and I will ask you a secret question. And then we'll give people time to enter, etc., etc. This is Atlantis Collection 05. It is the first item that I will be giving away. All right, so I'm going to run away. I might actually take off these nails. I'm going to run away and set up something so that I can demo all this for you. And I'll get my copy of this plate so that I can actually use it. And I think we'll have a good, fun time. See you in a minute. This is an unexpected, how do you do, from future Reza. It turned out that I did 3 full demos from the box, and I ended up with 40 minutes of nail art to show you. So I'm definitely not including it on this unboxing video. All of that demo will be released later tonight, I hope. The video that's being released now is just the unboxing, and look out for that next video real soon. I hope you enjoyed me, and I hope you do like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I hope you like these. These are just a preview of what I worked on for you last night. I'll get to releasing it soon. Bye-bye!